Year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present during questions and interviews in the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer, lawyer will be appointed to represent you. See, reek of weed.
All right, folks, buckle up. We're diving straight into a Texas courtroom where the smell of trouble is quite literally in the air. And yes, that's not just
standing in front of me. Okay, please.
Yes, Your Honor, on 4/24, officer at Teeny's Food Mart in Harris County, Texas, saw a defendant making hand-to-hand transactions with an unidentified male. Also believed the hand-to-hand transaction to coincide with the possession and distribution of narcotics and or marijuana.
Oof, that's a judicial burn. When the judge is basically getting a contact high from your court appearance, you know your legal strategy needs more than breeze. Clip 3.
And placed a clear plastic bag that contained a green leafy substance inside the front of his boxers. Wheeler turned around and attempted to flee the scene. Wheeler was advised a dog would be deployed and stopped when he heard the dog barking. Wheeler was detained without incident. The green leafy substance was retrieved from Wheeler's person. The green leafy substance weighed at 0.5 ounces. Teeny's Food Mart is in a drug-free zone.
Evidence. Maybe don't do it somewhere that guarantees an awkward police report. Retrieve from the defendant's person is courtroom code for. This is about to get very uncomfortable.
So this gentleman here was on bond for a case and he now picked up a new case. Did he have the bond conditions to not pick up any new cases? Wheeler. We tell you not to pick up any new cases while you're on bond. Otherwise, the PR bond that you get is revoked and you get put into jail. You were on bond for criminal trespass. You've now picked up another case. And also, you're here and you reek of weed so bad, you must have just stopped smoking right now.
Here comes a classic bond condition lecture. Translation: you had one job. Don't get arrested again. Spoiler alert. Guess who didn't read the fine print?
Judge, actually, it's the other way around. He was on bond for the PON. That arrest was out of April 24th, 2024. And
I see.
He picked up a trespass in April 24th.
Okay, so we're here on I thought we were here on the weed case. So we're here on the trespass then.
Judge, because so before he approached this court on the marijuana case, he has since picked up the trespass case. But he was on bond for the marijuana case before he approached here and picked up the trespass.
So I'm sorry. So he's charged with the criminal trespass here, not the weed. Both, right. But the reason he's in front of me now is for a criminal trespass because that's the new case stuff.
He's never approached. He's never been here on the possession of marijuana case. That happened April 24th. And on April 29th, he picked up the criminal trespass. He never approached this court on either case.
I have here that he signed conditions of bond on 4/24 not to pick up any new cases. And now, 5 days later, he's picked up a criminal trespass. I mean, am I wrong?
Oh, you're right. Yes, April 20th.
No.
April 25th, it has judge's signature. Yeah. It says, the defendant shall commit no crime and shall not engage in conduct that results in his or her arrest.
It's not looking good for you, Mr. Wheeler. It's Altamirano, right?
Yes, sir.
Welcome back. Mr. Wheeler, I'm revoking your bond and I'm keeping you with me. He goes with you.
Bond revoked. That sound you hear is the door to freedom quietly clicking shut. Lesson the justice system does not run on good intentions or second chances. When you keep collecting new charges like
The complainant there was his sister. So
Hold on. You want me to bring him out?
sure.
Stephen, do you mind bringing someone out, please? Yes, sir.
I was just giving you a little preliminary before you brought him
I
out.
want him to hear it.
I understand. But he went to probable cause court. They denied a PR bond. He does have family here, and he is employed. And we're asking for it either for a bond reduction or for a PR bond. He's been on deferred since January of last year.
Manuel?
And the assistant district attorney's already notified them that he has this case. We're not sure whether or not they're going to file a motion to adjudicate or not, or take any action.
Hey, he's in the holdover, it goes off.
Okay, thank you. Go ahead, Counsel.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
The East.
Yes, sir.
How's jail?
To be honest with you, it's not nice.
Great.
It's not nice at all. And it
That makes me very, very happy because I hope it's one of the most miserable, rotten experiences that you ever had.
it is, sir. And I wish to never see it again.
The problem is you keep doing things to land you in there.
Yes, sir. And I will try my best to do more to not end up back in here, sir. I promise.
Honesty from the bench. The judge basically said, I hope jail is the worst Airbnb you've ever stayed in, because maybe misery will finally make the lesson stick.
On a very serious probation for assault of a pregnant person. And now picked up terroristic threat. You're now facing another year in jail. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
Yes, sir.
You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
Yes,
I don't even know what happened to your case. All I know is that you're on a serious probation,
Yes, sir.
and now you've picked up another case. So let's see what happens
Yes, sir.
and whether you deserve to be let out.
Yes, sir.
Please.
On April 29, 2024, in Harris County, Texas, the defendant threatened to kill the complainant and the child that they shared together. Complainant felt in fear and pepper sprayed the defendant while on the phone with the 911. Defendant admitted to the threat, stating it was out of anger.
What do you think? What other prior, does he have any other prior criminal history from anywhere else, juvenile?
So, Judge, his priors are all in county. He has assault of a pregnant person that he's on probation for against his sister, and an AFM, which was, it looks like it was.
So he has another assault.
He has an AFM from
22.
I think it was the same.
it was refiled. So it was an AFM that was refiled to assault of a pregnant person.
That was the sister. The complainant was his sister.
Correct.
Not
The
the same
complainant on that
complainant.
case was his sister, and the complainant in this case is the child of, or the mother of
His child. He's not compensated, baby mama.
Yeah, try not to. Did you make it?
Mr. East, what do you do with your life now?
Right now, I'm working at a thrift store. I'm not getting paid that much, but I'm getting paid just enough to take care of the child. And right now,
How are you going to take care of a child? You can't even take care of yourself, Mr. East.
I'm still learning. This is my first child, Your Honor. This is my first child, Your Honor, and
You know, the problem is that with all the anger that you have, if a child sees it, what are they going to do?
they're gonna feed off that same energy, sir.
Right.
And
They're going to be just like you.
thank
If
you.
they see you beat mama, threaten to kill mom, what are they going to do?
Same thing, but I would never touch my mother, my child's mother. I would never. I would never.
Patient for the very same thing, Mr. East.
I understand, sir.